What's up guys, welcome to the EDC series, and today we are doing the poor man's EDC kit. So none of these I've went out and bought purposefully. Nothing here is overly expensive. Alright, let's start off with, I guess, main knife. So my main knife is this like Swiss Army rip-off knife by Rolson. It's taken a lot of damage, but it has, pry tool, can opener, has the bottle opener with a flathead screwdriver here, has a scissors which is decent, but I wouldn't use it to cut anything noticeable. I can use it to cut thread and stuff like that, but it's not the best scissors. The main knife is this 1.75, maybe 2-inch blade. I used to carry this in a keyring, so it has this keyring holder, but the other extension is gone. I think it broke. It has this corkscrew, screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver here, and the nail file. Nail file is okay. It's kind of rough. It's not fine. It's not fine. It's like very coarse. You can't really use it to. You can use it to file your nails and stuff like that, but I wouldn't use it to file any metal. I won't say it's good for that. But yeah, it's handy enough tool. If this doesn't work, I have this multi-tool. This is a cheaper one. I think I got this in what was the pound shop before. So very smooth surface on it, and it opens up to a pair of pliers. Decent pair of pliers. There's no spring on it. It's almost like a needle nose, and it has a grip in the middle here as well, and wire cutters at the very bottom there, and non-changeable, so these are all set. Once they're worn out, it's worn out. And on this side we have 2-inch blade. I think that's a bit longer than 2-inch, so 2-inch blade. We have the pry tool here. Here, I'm not sure. I think this is a flathead screwdriver. I haven't used it as a screwdriver itself, but it is a tool. It's kind of pointed. You can use it as a pry as well. I mean, it's not thick. It tapers in, so it's kind of thin on the top here. Then top here, I thought it was a flathead screwdriver, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Then we have the bottle opener here. Then on the other side we have another pry tool. Yeah, another pry tool. Phillips head screwdriver, also the same. I don't know if they kind of, I presume it is a different type of flathead. This one here, flathead screwdriver. And then we have the saw file combo. I've used this. It's okay. It's not great. What happens is when you file something, these saw edges get in the way, and yeah, it's kind of a nuisance. This tip here, I'm not sure what the deal is with it. Like, what do you use that for? If you could leave it in the comment section down below, like what this is used for, greatly appreciate that. Yeah, so that's multi-tool. If my Rolson penknife does not work. Next, we'll look at what I use as my main wallet. I got this as a gift. I did not buy this, but it has 2 compartments here for your main cards, then 2 giant compartments. It's like a mini purse, and I have maybe 10 to 20 cards at once in this. It is quite thick. It's not the compact like the Ridge wallet or whatnot, but it does the job and it's nice. It does get a lot of wear and tear. Can you see the stretch marks here? Because I used to put cards in here, but it's not supposed to be used for cards. Cards all go on the inside here. But yeah, it doesn't scratch, and it's quite nice material, very nice quality. Next we have antibacterial gel. Can't go anywhere without it. This is the 50ml one. I bought it from, the general grocery store. Does the job, and you can also refill it as well. So I keep this, refill it, and does the job. Next, I have my torch, or as the US call it, flashlight. This is a bulb. I don't know how many lumens it is. It's great in the pitch dark. It's not so great in lit up areas. But yeah, it runs on those watch batteries. These things, what do you call them? I call them watch batteries, but they're much bigger than what you'd find on a watch. AG13. AG13. Pop that in there. Has a spring. There's no spare bulb or anything. I think I got this in the pound shop as well. It used to have the keyring holder here, but it broke. Too many keys just whacking up against it. But yeah, that's a decent torch. Let me just clean this surface area. Next, I carry lip balm. I got this as a gift. I think it's called L'Occitane. Correct me if I'm wrong. I've heard it on the ads. This is very good quality lip balm. But if you need lip balm, just buy any lip balm. Should be fine. Oh, this one has the this application, so you put a little bit out, and then you can use your finger, or you can use it like lipstick. Up to you. It's not the roller one or anything like that. Okay, next, I always carry these because I own a dog. You need poop bags, so I always have a pouch of poop bags just in case. Another dog thing I have is I have a dog whistle and a dog clicker, just to try get them to calm down. Next I have is my pen. This is a very nice pen. I don't know what the brand name is for it, but it's skinny enough. It uses the Parker refill inks. These ones. Parker something flow ballpoint. Yeah, I prefer to use ballpoint pen. I used to use fountain pens, but they're just too messy. Like, you'll get ink on your fingers and then they run out very easily. Ballpoint pen, just twist, right, done. And what else do I have? Oh, the watch that I'm using, this is my EDC watch, is the Casio G-Shock Tough Solar GW M5610U-1C. So this is the third variation of it. It's a nice handy watch. It's not too thick on the wrist, and you don't really feel it compared to like the bigger chunky G-Shock watches. Like if I'm putting on a jacket or whatnot, I wouldn't feel this. Like it's very comfortable to wear. It's the Tough Solar, so it uses solar power to recharge the battery. It has 5 world times, and you can set daylight savings. You can set it. It is radio controlled, so you can update the zone and you just put it up against the window or just be outside and it will update automatically. And yeah, it's a very nice watch. It's a nice variation. I was going to get the second variation. If this is the 1C, I think it's the 1B with the black on the background. But the problem with that is I prefer the lighter background. It's easier to see. And the light on this is much nicer. Hang on, let me switch off the light. The light on this is much nicer. It's the very bright LED version of it. It's not the bulb, so everything lights up in the screen. That's my watch. I highly recommend this watch. It's hard to get though, because it's an import. That's the only thing. And then the last thing that I carry is the bug bite thing. I'm not endorsed by them, but I always carry this because I have a really bad reaction to bites, and anything that helps. I don't like to carry the sprays or creams around. They're just, you know, bothersome. This one's a lot more compact. Just fit it in. I have a shoulder bag, which I carry all this stuff in. So yeah, bug bite thing. This is the black edition. Very nice, sleek looking. So there we have it. This is my EDC kit, poor man's EDC kit. It works, it functions. I have no issues with it. Sometimes I might add or remove stuff in this, but this is my basic EDC carry kit. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section down below. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.